Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a collectible Angry Birds, and it comes with a collectible, candy, and three stickers. Okay, there's the King Piggy.
Sorry, I don't know if I'm doing.
There's the King Piggy.
Hi, sorry for being late.
There's the King Piggy. And here's the Angry Bird collectibles.
I want the egg.
And here's the stickers. Here's a sticker. And here's the candy. So that's it. So, bye-bye. Go.